render camera. Na-reflect ang maklaro ra ba ko?
Yes, sir.
Clara. Okay, so as I have checked my ismis in Biosumain, wala pa naka-reflect sa ako ang ismis ang subject nga complex analysis o inyong mga ngan. So I cannot also rely on the first assignment I have posted in our G class because pa may daghan nga wala pa boy GSOT account, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so kindly say present if you are here. Miss Alma Putong. Alma Putong.
Present, sir.
Okay, Ma'am Ampong. Ma'am Ampong. Pasig na loading pa si Ma'am, no? Percy Hamura.
Present, sir.
Okay. Charles Ibuho.
Present, sir.
Desiros de la Victoria.
Present, sir.
Eliazar Abis.
Present, sir.
Okay. Fatima Tutor.
Present, sir.
Geraldine Ganob.
Present, sir.
Maria Antoinette Rim.
Present, sir.
Maria Lisa Miranda.
Present, sir.
Okay. Mark Ayan Kuwabo.
Present, sir.
Mark Kevin Cortidor.
Present, sir.
Melanie Jade Milicio. Rafael Kaitom.
Present, sir.
Rochelle Daog.
Present, sir.
Rose Ann Peñaroya.
Present, sir.
The last here is Ma'am Sheila May Olaibar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Napangoy na ilhan class nga wala pa kasod karon.
Hi, sir. Kanangga share academic screen ni Ma'am Desiros de la Victoria. This is Karen Lumapat, sir.
Lumapat og si kinsa to ma'am? Lumapat og kinsa na-share ma'am si
Ako, sir, ni Desiros de la Victoria.
Adila Victoria.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Noted ma'am, noted. Okay, so as what I have said last Saturday class, I will be introducing to you what platform are we going to use and what are the ways on our class in complex analysis. So I'm handling the subject last 2021 pa. So karon lang ko nakabalik because kanang hangyo si Doc Nalzaro nga ako sa kunoy handol. Okay, so for our main reference for our complex analysis, did somebody downloaded it and share to everyone sa Google Classroom? Ang guna ko ito gi-download, gi-upload.
Yes, sir.
Na. Kinsa pa'y walay copy sa atong reference? Yes, Ma'am Olivar.
Wala po copy pa, sir.
Wala pa kay copy. Okay, so maybe I can send it to the GC na lang siguro. Pwede raman to, no? So sa GC na lang nato i-send para maka-access tanan. So hopefully maayo na sa MIS by Sumain ang inyong GSOT para adto na kita sa atong official Gmail account sa nga magklase. So our schedule we have
Yes, sir.
3 hours per Saturday. My rule class in my class, I am not consuming totally the 3 hours of the 3 hours duration. So I am only consuming half of the hour, half of the 3 hours, and the remaining half would be intended for your problem sets, activities, assignments. Unya, what would you like to have every Saturday ta mag-virtual or every other Saturday? I usually ask my students kung every Saturday because I know you have also your kanang mga kuan dito pod mga trabaho na nagtrabaho mo sa tanan. So most of us are educators, so medyo napay-busy gamay ang mga schedule. I would like to ask if we will have virtual every Saturday or every other Saturday.
So, bali, sir, twice a month, sir. May mo ba pasabot, sir?
Yes, but we still have an activity with the non-virtual class.
Okay, sir.
Okay na, sir.
So,
Okay na ko,
Okay na,
sir.
sir. Sa twice a month.
Interval.
okay, so alternate so non-virtual and virtual, and then sa atong subject class, di ba naghatag ko og attendance, unfortunately dili tanan, no? So I have one of the questions there is the kana bitawng unsay nga background ninyo sa complex analysis. So ang nakatubag radto kay murag si Ma'am kuan lang, gamay lang ang nakatubag kay gamay rang pinakasod sa ato ang Google Classroom, kuan ra man sila kabuok na ay 8 naning tubag o na upat nga missing man siguro to. Nara diri sa responses si daog kay itom lumapat ibuho ganob tutor Dila Victoria o si Milicio. So mao rin ning tubag. So one of the questions here is what do you expect or your expectation and kuan pod expectations and topics that you have already a background in complex analysis. So, what yung mga mga question. Okay, so can I randomly ask Mark Kevin?
Complex analysis.
Yes, yes, sir. I would like to ask you what is your expectation and what are some of the topics that you may have a background or bisang gamay lang nga background or kanang naka-agi na ka.
Ako, sir, no? Mark.
Yeah, yes, yes, sir. Mark.
Nakoy, gamay background, sir, since na po na sa engineering na mo. Gamay ang complex. Kanang complex numbers, sir. Di ba? Complex equation, sir. Mama-arms, sir, no?
Complex equation.
Kanay I, sir. Di ba mo na?
Yes, yes. There's a symbol for imaginary. It's part of the.
O kanay imaginary, sir. Kanay rapod, sir.
Yes.
Gamay ra.
It's part of the introduction. So that's not really the main topic of the complex, but since complex analysis is talking about including the imaginary number, because ang complex manggod is the largest group of numbers, no? So ang largest group of numbers is complex because it includes the imaginary. Ang sunod anak kay real number naman. So wherein real number is equal to C less the imaginary number. Okay, thank you, Sir Mark. I will just have dilik eta murag formal kayo ng klase. So maybe I will just be calling your first name. Okay ra ba, ma'am and sir? Okay ra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so just to make it not so formal kay. Okay, ganahan og formal kayo ang klase. Okay? So another one si Ma'am Geraldine. Ma'am?
Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
The same question, ma'am. Your
Yes,
expectation, ma'am, and background of complex
Ano sa itong
analysis.
question, sir?
Expectation about the subject, and then the second one
Expectation
is
na ho, aning expectations dahil, sir.
yeah.
Background. Sige, sir. Expectations na ho, aning subject, sir. The same as unsay akong gitubag last time, difficult and informative, and I'm hoping fun to learn with and challenging one, sir, because it
Okay,
deals
sir.
about complex numbers, and also ako ang background.
You're muted, ma'am Geraldine.
Sir?
You're muted. Okay na, ma'am.
Sir?
Okay na, ma'am. Nadunggan na, ma'am. Okay, continue, ma'am. Continue.
Sa chapter 1, na kay background gamay aning the real number system. And then for the chapter 2, functions and variables, gamay lang sad, sir, because mga 20, so man siguro tong 2010, taman siguro tong nga lesson. And then sa variable, kani pong chapter 3 na apod kay background gamay aning derivative, sir. Thank you, Sir Emil.
Sige, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am Geraldine. Okay, so I am yes, ma'am. I am choosing the Hume's outline because Hume's outline medyo kuan kay explanation dili kayo siya. I understand that wala may naka BS undergrad nga BS mathematics na to diri, no. So, I choose this reference kay medyo simpler siya. Mo na gini nakitaan nga pinaka-simple nga reference nga nakitaan sa complex analysis. So, I hope maka-follow ta. I would not expect nga totally gyud pero at least maka-follow ta sa mga procedure. Okay. So, one of the, since we are now in outcomes-based curriculum, especially sa BISO, and kanang og mo outcomes based dapat naatay output at the end of the semester. So ang akong style is ang nauna now is we will be you will be conducting a mura bitaw siya og seminar na nganay mangita mo og speaker sa nga motok sa kuan sa ato ang final project. So ang buhaton nato is mangita mo og speaker that is expert in complex analysis. So mura siya og kuan nato resource speaker. So mauna na ato ang final exam pohon, dili na ko mag final exam because I guess that would be enough nga naatay output unya ang exam mo gud is malimtan ra man gina siya, but the experience nga matudloan ta og resource speaker murag something is mura sa kanang memorable na siya. So that would be our final exam. So kanang magunahuna na mo ron, mangita mo ron na may mga kaila kung kinsay pwede ma-resource speaker at the end of our semester. So mana ito ang target or outcome sa ito ang complex analysis. Any question?
Sir.
Yes, Sir Rafael.
Pila po ka ba speaker, sir? Ang among
Usa lang para okay.
Then one day.
Bisan po half day sir, half day ra kay
Okay, sir.
more on ko ano na siya, more on lecture or additional knowledge or application. Ato lang i-elaborate kung unsa ang scope sa iyang talk. So half day lang ta sir.
Okay, sir.
Sa may basihan sa resource speaker, sir.
Kuan siya ma'am, usually ang mathematics man god sa pure mathematics is we have field of specialization. So sa BISO main man god is ang graduate lang dira og with specialization is graph theory and topology. So kung maglisod gyud ta og pangita og expert sa kanang expert about complex analysis, pwede ta mo mangita og lain nga basta field in mathematics, field sa mathematics lang. In case man second option lang nato na kung di gyud mo kita og expert in complex analysis. Yes, Ma'am Rochelle, you're raising your hand. Yes, ma'am.
Ay, sir, kana po sad pod si Ma'am Nalzaro, sir. Among i-ask kay para siya ang speaker. For
Yes.
example, og dili mi makita complex nga analysis na expert.
Okay ra ma'am, basta okay lang po si Ma'am Nalzaro. Okay, so any other question or clarification? How about the quizzes class? Mag-quiz pa ba ta?
Dili na, sir.
Dili na daw.
Pwede ra po og dili, sir.
Ayun na, sir.
Okay, so
Thank you.
um kanang dili ta mag-quiz, we will have more on problem sets. Problem sets lang ta. But the major exams are compulsory man gyud ang major exam. So we'll have a midterm exam, and of course our final exam is the our output in complex analysis.
So, ang atong midterm exam, sir, kuan written or seminar gihapon.
Written gyapon sa written. Um, sige kami akong pabuton if mag face to face ta. Ang style mo sa Bisomin is di ba gipapili ra ang mga kuan, mga instructor kung asa dapit pwede ba ta makaklase sa Bisomin if in case mag face to face? Based on your experience, bago pa mo ko nakabalik og face to face. Okay. But if you are going to
Pwede
choose
pag online na,
your
sir.
preference,
Online, sir.
mara kay ba kung mo na yung choice. Sige. Okay, so we'll have your online. So magkita lang ta ni inig kuan, inig final
Final.
final na lang. Kaya magsabot ta daan para
Yes, sir.
ma-mindset na ta ba nga kani atong pambuhaton unya online atong midterm exam, then problem sets, then preparation na sa ato ang seminar pohon ang complex analysis. So mo na i-flow sa ato ang complex analysis karong semestera.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay na to. Sige. Okay, so I will be flashing the ato sa wala somebody has sent the kuan last the kuan. Ma'am Melanie, salamat kayo sa pag-send sa kuan ma'am sa PDF sa ato ang main reference. Gisend na ni Ma'am Melanie dire sa ato ang GC sa complex analysis. So palihog na lang ko og download. So sa mga wala pa nakita gid sa entire, I have here a copy of the outline mo ni ato ang sige. Nakita na ba?
Yes,
Nakita
sir.
na. Okay, so mo ni mga topics that is inside the SHUM's outline. We have here the introductory part, the real number system, graphical representation. Kaning for reporting, I will still decide if kaning reporting sa during pandemic manggod ni pagod ni class, so mao gyud nagpa-reporting ko, pero I will still be deciding if magpa-reporting ba gyud ko, no, especially in mathematics na kuan pod video dili wala ta kayo background sa subject. So ako lang mo i-update if it is reporting next Saturday or within next week o magpa-reporting ba ko or dili kay mag-finalize po ko sa mga number of students nako sa complex analysis. So basta mo ni mga topic, I will also send this to the GC para namoy summary sa mga topics. Daghan kayo topics na, pero ang uban ani kay mga mugbo ra man pod ang mga topic. Ana siya. Okay, so I will be playing the first and introductory topic through a video discussion. So this is, I guess, 20 minutes, more than 20 minutes. Then after that one, ay 1.5 hour man ta atong tunga. So there I will be posting an assignment, no? Dili gyud po ninyo i-pass karong 3:30, but you will pass that one on the next Saturday. Okay ra?
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Sige.
Okay, sir.
Sige. So, promise. Share screen na. Makita na ba, class?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, so
Pero dili na mo madungog, sir. Sir, di mi kadungog.
Walay tingog, sir. Pag nagsugod na ba si Zero? Present.
Sir. Asas.
okay, dili ba dungog na pa na ko basig wala na ko na undefined. How about that one, class? Nadungog ka? So,
Yes, sir.
Okay na, sir.
Nadungog na.
okay na? Kasi balik.
Pero pwede backward, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Complex analysis. So I know you are very familiar already with this real number system. So we have the natural numbers. I will not elaborate this one because this is very basic. I would just like to emphasize about rational numbers. We have when b is equal to 0, it will become undefined. So that is why, based on the definition of rational number, a whole number can be considered as rational number because every whole number has the denominator of 1, which is not equal to 0. So we have the fourth one, the irrational numbers. Okay, so this one is the graphical representation of real numbers. We have already, I know, I would assume that everyone is very familiar with this one. Okay, so in the complex number, we are dealing with the ordered pair. So, mao ni atong makita sa ato ang elements sa atong complex number. So, for example, we have here the complex number system. So, we can consider a complex number as having the form of a plus bi. So, where a and b are real numbers and I, which is the imaginary unit. And of course, we know already that the I squared has the property I squared is equal to -1. So in the expression z, where a can be considered as the real part of z, and we have b is called the imaginary part of z. So they are denoted respectively as re of z and the im of z, which is called the real part of z, and we have the imaginary part of z. So the symbol z, which can stand for any complex number, is called the complex variable. So we have two complex numbers, a plus bi and c plus bi are equal if and only if, so this is a biconditional statement, a is equal to c and b is equal to d. So real numbers